Are you looking for a natural and healthy way to boost your immune system? Look no further! In this video, we'll be revealing the top 10 superfoods that can help strengthen your immune system and keep you healthy. Whether you're feeling under the weather or just want to maintain your overall health, these superfoods are packed with essential vitamins and nutrients that your body needs. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes because you won't want to miss out on these immune-boosting superfoods. Number 1. One of the best superfoods for immunity boosting is ginger. Ginger is a root that is commonly used in many different types of dishes and beverages due to its unique flavor and a wide range of health benefits. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties help to strengthen the immune system by fighting off harmful bacteria and viruses that can cause infections. Ginger is also known to help reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to alleviate symptoms of illnesses such as the common cold or flu. Additionally, ginger has been found to help improve digestion, reduce nausea, and lower blood sugar levels. Overall, ginger is a powerful superfood that can help to boost your immune system and keep you healthy. Adding ginger to your diet can be as simple as grating it into your tea or smoothie, or using it to flavor your favorite dishes. Number 2. Another great superfood for boosting immunity is garlic. Garlic is a member of the onion family and is known for its strong, pungent flavor. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. These properties help to boost the immune system by fighting off harmful pathogens that can cause illness. Garlic has also been found to help reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to alleviate symptoms of illnesses such as the common cold or flu. Additionally, garlic has been shown to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Garlic is a versatile ingredient that can be added to a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to stir-fries and sauces. To get the most benefit from garlic, it is best to crush or chop it before adding it to your food, as this helps to release the beneficial compounds. Number 3. The third superfood for boosting immunity is turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that is commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine and is known for its bright yellow color. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties help to boost the immune system by reducing inflammation and fighting off harmful free radicals that can cause damage to cells and tissues. Turmeric has also been found to help improve brain function, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even help prevent cancer. Turmeric can be added to a wide range of dishes, from curries and soups to smoothies and teas. To get the most benefit from turmeric, it is best to consume it with black pepper, as this helps to increase the absorption of curcumin in the body. Number 4. The fourth superfood for boosting immunity is spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with a wide range of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and zinc, all of which are essential for a healthy immune system. Spinach is also a great source of antioxidants, which help to protect the body against harmful free radicals that can cause damage to cells and tissues. Additionally, spinach is a good source of fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion and can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Spinach can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in a variety of dishes, such as soups, stews, and casseroles. To get the most benefit from spinach, it is best to eat it raw or lightly cooked, as this helps to preserve its nutrient content. Number 5. The fifth superfood for boosting immunity is green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, which help to boost the immune system by fighting off harmful free radicals that can cause damage to cells and tissues. Green tea is also a good source of catechins, which have been found to have antibacterial and antiviral properties. In addition, green tea has been found to help improve brain function, reduce inflammation, and even help prevent certain types of cancer. Green tea can be enjoyed hot or cold and can be flavored with a wide range of ingredients such as lemon, honey, or mint. To get the most benefit from green tea, it is best to consume it without milk or sugar, as this helps to preserve its antioxidant content. Number 6. The sixth superfood for boosting immunity is blueberries. Blueberries are a type of berry that are known for their sweet, tart flavor and vibrant blue color. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which help to boost the immune system by fighting off harmful free radicals that can cause damage to cells and tissues. Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, which is important for boosting the immune system and fighting off infections. In addition, blueberries have been found to help improve brain function, reduce inflammation, and even help prevent certain types of cancer. Blueberries can be added to a wide range of dishes, from smoothies and yogurt bowls to baked goods and salads. To get the most benefit from blueberries, it is best to consume them fresh or frozen, as this helps to preserve their nutrient content. Number 7. The 7th superfood for boosting immunity is almonds. Almonds are a type of nut that are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help to boost the immune system. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, which has been found to help improve the function of immune cells and reduce inflammation in the body. Almonds are also a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissue in the body. Almonds can be eaten as a snack, added to salads and smoothies, or used to make almond butter. To get the most benefit from almonds, it is best to consume them raw or lightly roasted, as this helps to preserve their nutrient content. Number 8. Yogurt is a dairy product that is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that also help to boost the immune system. Probiotics help to improve the balance of bacteria in the gut, which can help to improve the function of the immune system. The gut is home to a large number of immune cells, and by improving the balance of bacteria in the gut, probiotics can help to improve the function of these immune cells. Additionally, probiotics have been found to help reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to improve the function of the immune system. Yogurt is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as calcium and vitamin D, which can help to support the immune system. Number 9. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that also help to boost the immune system. Broccoli is a good source of vitamin C, which helps to increase the production of white blood cells and improve the function of immune cells. Broccoli is also a good source of vitamin A, which helps to improve the function of immune cells and reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, broccoli contains antioxidants such as sulforaphane, which have been found to help reduce inflammation in the body and improve the function of immune cells. Number 10. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient that helps to boost the immune system. Vitamin C helps to increase the production of white blood cells, which are important for fighting off infections. Additionally, vitamin C helps to improve the function of immune cells, such as T cells and B cells, and can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Citrus fruits are also a good source of antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which can help to reduce inflammation and improve the function of immune cells. Thanks for watching. Remember, incorporating these superfoods into your diet can help to boost your immune system and improve your overall health. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness.